I was broke. I had nothing. No money. No job. No hope. But one day, everything changed. Here is how I became a millionaire. Hello. My name is Alex. Today, I will tell you my story. It is a simple story. You will practice English as you listen. Are you ready? Let's begin. 1. The struggle. 5 years ago, I was poor. I had no job. I lived in a small room. Every day, I searched for work. But no one wanted to hire me. One day, I found a free business course online. I watched it. I learned about business, marketing, and sales. I had an idea: I would sell simple products online. But I had no money to start. 2. The first steps. I asked my friend to lend me $100. He believed in me. I used this money to buy 10 small items. I took photos and posted them online. At first, no one bought them. I felt sad. But I did not give up. I studied more. I changed my photos and wrote better product descriptions. After 1 week, I sold my first product. I earned $20 profit. I was so happy. 3. Growth. I used the $20 to buy more products. I sold them again. Slowly, my business grew. I learned about digital marketing. I created a simple website. I posted on social media. After 6 months, I was making $500 a month. I worked hard, day and night. After 1 year, I earned $5,000 a month. I could not believe it. 4. Becoming a millionaire. I reinvested my money. I built a team. I hired 2 friends to help me. We created better products. We reached more customers. In my 3rd year, I earned my first $100,000. I continued to learn and grow. Finally, in year 4, I became a millionaire. It felt like a dream. How did I do it? I never stopped learning. I worked hard. I stayed positive. And remember, you can do it too. Start small. Keep going. Your dreams can come true. Thank you for listening to my story. I hope you learned new English words today. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. See you next time.